Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed that watch this program. And if you could give me a like and a comment, that would help the video out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. Okay. Today we have southern fried apples, and it's real simple, real easy to do. They make a great little snack, or you could put them with another dessert. All right, it starts with about a half a cup of butter, or one stick. And we're going to melt that over about a medium heat or so. You're also going to want 4 Granny Smith apples that you've peeled, cored, and sliced into about 1/4 inch to 1/3 inch thick slices. All right, then we're going to need about a half a cup of white sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Then we want to stir this around till basically the sugar kind of dissolves into our butter. Don't worry, this doesn't get sticky. At least if you're using a non-stick pan, that's what I use. I know this looks a little wonky, but trust me, it'll all work out in the end. Way more liquid is coming once we put in the apples. And here's those 4 apples that I mentioned that we cored up, peeled, and sliced up. Now, just want to kind of stir these around a little bit. And kind of just stir these around occasionally. Make sure you rescue the one that tried to get away. Just give up at some point. But you want to cook these for about 6 to 7 minutes. And that's pretty much it. Next thing to do is just serve them. And after 6 to 7 minutes, you're left with something that looks like that. Fantastic little topping for ice cream, or you could put them in a pie, or whatever. And they're pretty good by themselves. So that's southern fried apples. Done.